Have a little fun, dog. Alrighty. Go pull up on Brian, see what he's doing. Let's see if we can get this fool outside real quick. Man, this ought to be a good day. This kid doesn't like riding on rocks.
No, that's sketchy. My bike handlebars are
Yeah, keep your feet up on the pegs.
You know, it's gonna feel like you're gonna fall, but
Like when you're riding, you should be looking at the distance about that far ahead of you from me to that pole, from you to that pole. That way, if there are little rocks in front of you, you're riding and you're looking ahead of it. So if you stumble a little bit, you're going to be smooth and, you know, you're not hung up on what's directly in front of you. Well, let's go to this top. We got to go through this real quick. There we go. You dying back there? Yeah? Come on, dude, look up! You're looking like right here in front of you. You just gotta look out and ride. Like you see, like right here straight from me, you got this little bit of pile of rocks kind of off to the side, and you see the track marks going to the side of it. Like you wouldn't want to go through right here. You wouldn't want to drive over this. So you're looking out ahead of you to see like a flat, constant trail. And you're just looking ahead. Squeeze your legs with the bike. Gotta teach the young bucks how to drive, you know? Just gotta squeeze your legs with the bike and then just go. Keep your hand on the brake and just look out where you go. You're thinking too hard on it, bud. Well, you can't get down it? Oh, they got boulders right there, huh? Isaac, I might have to help you. Let me go help him. He ain't ready for that yet.
I'm mode 3, so.
That's good, bud. I can handle it. Huh?
You look huge compared to my bike.
You got this? Oh, this fool. Do what?
I gotta bend back my tire.
Bend back your tire?
Yeah, look. My handlebars, my tire's straight right now. That's my handlebars straight.
Oh, you need to turn it to the right more?
Yeah, it's because I don't have a stem lock. But I could just, this is what I usually do.
Is that easy?
Yeah. That's it. It's pretty fragile.
Yeah.
But brother, I'm riding down that hill, bike just right now.
There you go, Isaac. Come on. He's never really like ridden bikes before.
And I remember when I first started.
Keep going, keep going. There you go.
And I just don't do what I did. Whole bike, I'm riding it perfectly. Whole bike, the front tire hit something, I squeeze the brake. Whole bike just went like that.
Oh yeah, don't squeeze the front brakes going down the hill. I'm about to jump this thing. I'm gonna hit these three and turn around real quick.
I didn't realize it dipped that much in the second one.
Yeah, dude, that thing's nice. I'm about to hit it. I could have got more air on that. Some cows, dude. There we go. We had an audience. Definitely could have hit that jump a little bit faster. All right. Turn around, hit the streets and head back. Yeah. Another fun little ride underneath the bridge. Go ahead. Woo! What? You stalling it? Oh, I caught it last second with your hand coming back down. Unless you were one-handed the whole time.
I went like that. I just went.
Yeah? Oh, that's nutty, dude.
I did it myself. I've been trying it. I never really sent. I always sent it on the right hand, but the left hand I just let go and just grabbed it again. Your GoPro running?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, you have to.
Go ahead, Shay. There we go. Huh? How much battery you got?
5 bucks.
Oh, you're chilling.
On the brake hand, so you go back and brake, and when you're power wheeling, you let go of your brake hand and just grab it again when you need to brake.
That's sketchy, dude.
It's sketchy, but I'm telling you, once you're not all the way back, like you're power wheeling it, you could do it for a split second.
Yeah.
That's I'm gonna try it again. It's kind of sketchy, but.
Oh, the one? Yeah, no.
Once we go to like a corner,
Yeah. I'll try it too.
but just be careful. I don't want you to fall.
Hell no. Ran out of room. Man, that sun is just absolutely beaming today. It's crazy. See, I can speed wheelie all day, but I need to figure out how to do the slow wheelies, and that's patience when you're wanting to execute at high levels and not practicing. Like, this fool just, he's cruising. Dude, wheeling this way is crazy. That's traditional knee knocker. Yeah, the boys.
Can we kind of teach you how to wheel and golf today?
Do what?
Can we go behind the dog park and teach you how to wheel?
Teach you how to wheelie?
Well, at least get me.
A good way on the Yozma, have him, if you want him to practice wheeling, if you trust it, have him just catwalk it with his feet down.
Yeah,
Like, just have him put his feet down.
but I don't even know how to pop it up yet. Like,
I don't think that, I think you need to tune it or something, dude. I don't think you get enough pop-up for it yet. Whoo! Nutcase, dude. Probably take him home.
I want to get a video of the one hand. I got to try to send it for him. I want to be able to, like, drag my hand like that.
You want to drop that back?
I got to pop, like, an emote on the bike or something. I got to be like...
All right, go. We're following you. Go all the way up the hill. Road's kind of bumpy. That's a nice house. Wow. The green though is a little, yeah, I guess it works. I don't really see green like that work too often, but yeah, it's cool. Getting the one hand down. Yo, are you having to like squeeze your legs real tight?
My bike just, it don't got enough power to keep the wheelie going.
Yeah.
But with the one hand, I go all the way back, like so I'm back, and then when I let go of the brake now, like shoot down, that's when I let go and keep it up. So you don't even have to, like, you know how it feels like wrongly balanced?
Mm-hmm.
Like it kind of just feels like I'm wheeling still with two hands, but like when you remove it, I just let go.
Yeah.
But when I was trying it with this hand, but this hand's harder. I
Could
don't know why. The throttle hand's harder to do for me. But I'm also a righty, so that's probably why it's easier.
Right, keep your dominant hand on it.
Because if you do right hand to one-handed, you're not going to have a throttle, so you're going to have to lean too far back to let go.
Mm-hmm.
So with the left hand, I just need to power wheelie it and let go and just grab it. That was the first time I actually did it, completely went like that.
Coming down that ramp earlier?
Yeah, when I was like, yo, did you get down?
Yeah, that was your first time?
That was the first time I've actually done it. I was surprised myself.
Yeah, I turned back and saw like just the last second as your hand was coming back in. Yeah, I might have caught it. We'll check the footage later though.
If not, I would say we just get a video of it. I know I could do it, but I'm just scared I get a little too confident. Eat shit again.
Dude, that's... I was trying to let go of my hand there.
It's probably harder to do it like that. But if you want to practice it too, just like slowly, like...
Oh, dude, it's so scary you can whiskey throttle it.
That's why it's bad. But if you want to practice, just whichever hand you want to do, just slowly, like, stop. Like, you know how you're gripping it kind of hard?
Yeah.
Just slowly, like...
Let off your grip.
Hold on to it, but just slowly, like, almost like your hand's just not there. Like, it's just like...
There it is. Dude, he's 12 o'clock. Chasing it, dude. Yes, I guess I'm not far enough back on the balance point for when I tap the brake. It's just swinging me forward, and there's no, I don't know. The brake control seems to be the hardest hardest portion to learn. Yeah, braking in the wheelie, like, that's the hardest part for me, because I feel like every time I tap it, it just throws the bike forward, and I got to figure out how to control that. You know, whether that's leaning back more to that balance point to feel as if the bike's falling over, because I feel like I'm not getting 12 o'clock enough. But if I throw one knee up on the bike, I feel like I can go back to 12 o'clock a lot easier, just because of the fact of I feel like I'm standing up on the bike rather than sitting on it, so I don't feel like I'm falling back. It's tough to distinguish. Oh man, what a day to be outside. Pulling out in front of me, U-Haul man. Boy, wheeling the shit out of that bike. Like, I feel like I can't keep it back. That's what the feeling is. I can't keep it back. What's up, man? He couldn't pop it up, huh?